Hey, Rodney. So it is now December 1st, and I'm back home. As y'all know, I'm at the mall, Concord Mills. Y'all don't gotta know what mall I'm at. But I'm at the mall, and what's I finna say? I need a new aux. I was saying I need a new aux cord, and I just finished dropping my sister off. She left her cover in here. As y'all can see, dropped her off to her hair appointment. So while I'm waiting for her to get done with that, I'm gonna get my aux cord, and y'all, I'm gonna try my very hardest to post every day this month on some Vlogmas stuff. Just want to say, I came back to my city and they still can't even drive. Like, they still don't know how to drive. Like, it's just making me mad. Like, they be making me mad every time. Like, every time I hop in the car and they can't drive. It just upsets me so bad. Like, but I might get, oh yeah, do y'all know, they threw the lotion I bought from Bath and Body Works in San Diego away. Like, why would y'all do that? Talk without the video fucking stop. So let's just go. Come on. So y'all, my camera keep cutting off of me, but I got the ox that I been had and I been wanted. I went to Five Below before, I couldn't find it, but so I had to get this raggedy ox. But that one was breaking, so I just decided to go to Five Below again. Found it. If not, I was gonna have to go to Walmart or something. But now I'm finna go to the park and make a TikTok. I ain't gonna lie, North Carolina sky, low key a little better than California and Arizona sky. I ain't gonna lie, because the sky, it was like hiding, like the sunset, it was hiding behind the mountains and stuff, so you couldn't really see it that good. It be hiding behind stuff, but you could see the sunset. You notice it's cold as fuck here, and when I was in Arizona, it was not. Arizona and California, it was not that cold. Y'all think I can get through this? I'm trying to get in here. They got it locked and stuff. Is that a squirrel? Oh, no. I just finished doing my TikTok. Go follow my TikTok to see that. He on the beat. So I walked all the way over here to get in this gate. And it's locked. Y'all don't understand how far I walk. I walk like a mile. And the gate is locked. And my hands are freezing. Like, it's gonna get like frostbite. I don't know why it's so cold here, but I'm finna just pull out my coat and my gloves and my scarf and my hat and everything I have, because it's too cold. Too motherfucking cold. Oh, why the fuck they locked me in here? This gate wasn't even locked. It wasn't even locked. They just locked me in here. Guess I gotta go that way. See them? How would y'all feel if I got my car like that? How would y'all feel? How would you feel if I told you that I think you were the one? How would you feel if I told you that, girl, I need your love? How would you feel? How would you feel? My car looks so low. It was a nice little exercise, little walk. Destiny still ain't call me or text me. So I don't know what we finna do. But I am feeling a little hungry. So I might eat. I'm at American Deli. I'm gonna give me some chicken wings. So y'all come on here with me. Y'all know I be acting like out of the ordinary sometimes, but that's just how I am. So if you don't like it, I'm sorry. But it ain't changing. Yeah. It ain't changing. No. No, 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 no. No, no. Another car parked beside me, and there's a whole bunch of parking spaces around me. Y'all, so I got American deli. It's in the deli. And I got this cranberry juice from Harris Teeter over there. And we finna dig in. I wanted honey hot. Cause I feel like the one on Lucaston, they had honey hot. The one over here, wherever we at, Concord, wherever, they don't have honey hot, but hey. I thank you for this food. I'm about to receive. That's my brother, Christ's sake. Amen. Yeah, let's dig in. And they service way faster because as soon as I walk from here to the window store, I'm off over there. Let's just go. Y'all know what I mean. Yeah. Whoever made this new thing. I know y'all hungry. Hold on. Y'all want some rice? Y'all want some rice? Yeah. 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 Let me start with them, y'all. Listening her still not done. Next stop, the gas station. Let's see what number it's gonna get to. It was only $22, y'all. It was kind of like almost halfway, but not really halfway, but you know. Just gonna, you know, that's what I use. Till it like okay, they said that's enough. That's enough. Alright, that's enough. Oops, I just wasted 1 cent.
4 cents is always better with drop.
13. Up. Going. I don't know. That's a good question. Ooh. So, y'all, Destiny finally in the car. It's 9 o'clock. I dropped her off at 4. I done did 10,000 things, 10,000 places. Now, let's see if the hell worked it. What y'all think?
Alright, it's a new hairstyle.
What y'all think? Hold on. What y'all think? And wear your jacket at, baby. It's 30 degrees outside. Talking about shimmering timbers.
Ooh, child, it's cold.
Girl. Trying to look cute. You need a jacket. You shaking this stuff.
No, cause it's been colder than that too.
Girl, bro.
Chicken sandwich.
A McChicken?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
And can I get a what else do I want? Doolittle frappe, whatever it's called, small. Thank you.
Dolce di leche frappe.
Yeah, what size?
Small.
Okay. Anything else today?
That's it.
Thank
Is
you.
that it?
Wow.
Yes.
Why she covering her face, y'all?
Because it be inverted.
Girl, wow.
I don't like myself. I don't like how I look when people record because it be inverted.
She covering her face. You know what that means.
Girl, me, I'm like, we come in this all the time. Don't do that. Do not do that.
Y'all, what that mean if you cover your face?
That means other people don't like to